Hi everyone, I hope you're good. So I have been so busy, I haven't been able to post anything in a while, but I did get a bit of free time this weekend, and so we are going to be cleaning my simple candle tray, and I'm actually transferring them into the clean tray, as you can see. So I'm transferring my simple candles into the new tray. And yeah, eventually I'm also going to be clearing my old candle jars. I'm going to be melting the wax, and then I'm going to be cleaning them up, and they are going to be empty, and then I'm just going to put them away. So just join me. As you can see, now I'm transferring my simple candles into the other tray. So there is a cock sound. I do not know what that is. I think it's a ringtone. I don't know whose. So yeah, I have my candle jars. I just received them a few days back, and so I am just unwrapping them, and then I am going to clean them, and they'll be ready to get some fresh water. And I'm gonna put my, you see those 4 simple candles, put those inside the candle jars, and whilst I work I'm going to be getting assorted flavors. So there's lime, there's raspberry, there's lavender, and they're all going to burn at the same time. So I'm just cleaning my candle jars. So I just placed my candles, the one that I made last time, and they are going to be helping me as I start my tester. So I'm just lighting them up. So my lighter wouldn't work. I think I need to fill it or something, so I used match. So that time I was moving my candle jars, and now they are onto the pot stove. And so now they've melted all around, so now I'm just placing them on a cardboard board. And after this I'll be able to clean my jars. So yeah, you can only do this if it's candle jars or candle glasses. You cannot put this into like boiling water, okay? If it is not candle jars or glasses, they will break. So they were very hot. So I have my little swab and then I'm putting them on the table because they were very hot. The glass was so hot. So again, you need to check the thickness before you heat them up. So the candle jars were still very hot, but I managed to get all of them. And so look at how dirty the candle jars are. So we are also going to be seeing how to basically clean them up, but obviously when you're going to reuse them, you're going to need to clean them a bit more. So I have my second batch of candle glasses. I just melted a bit of spillage there, but that is not at all a problem. They'll just melt. I mean, it will just like harden and then it will be easy to get off the table. So that's why I usually use this table. So I'm still getting them from the pot. So this was the last batch of these candles, and I had assorted flavors again. I had lavender, I had lime, I had raspberry, strawberry, you name it. And so this is the last of them. I might make more later, but I have different jars this time. So these candle glasses, I was just heating them up again. And now we are going to clean them up so that when I'm storing them, at least they are not dirty. And obviously when I decide to use them, I will definitely wash them again, and heat them up and remove the stickers, and they'll be good to go. So whatever you're using, make sure it is, wax friendly, like the swabs, right? They are so soft. Make sure everything is wax friendly. I do have my paper towels, and that's what I'll use to sort of like get the wax off. And these glasses are still very hot and warm even, so it's easy for the wax to come off. So yeah, that's basically the glass now after I've did a bit of cleaning. So again, when I do decide to use them, I'll clean them again. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.